beautiful thing about the AME organization, it started off by a group of practitioners that wanted to help each other out, and we do that today. Though I volunteer for AME, though I volunteer for Shingo, I have my own company. I'm president of a company that makes parts, aerospace parts, in another division that does electronics. And we embrace the criteria for both in both businesses. So I learn what I learned coming to here. I take back and apply in my businesses. So it's you give and you learn. You give and you learn. You always learn. It's a win-win for everybody.